I'm OXO Chef-in-Residence Rick Martinez, and I am here to share with you some of my tips and tricks for weeknight dinners that are quick and simple and delicious. The first thing I'm gonna start with is the onion. I'm gonna make horizontal cuts, but I wanna go back as close to the root end as possible without all the way slicing through the top of the onion. Then we're gonna go back and we're gonna create vertical cuts. And again, this is probably gonna be about 1/4 of an inch dice. Scrape this into my sheet tray. Next, we will do the poblano. What I'm gonna do is cut this in half and then just flatten it out, and then you can just make cross cuts like that. And I want these to be about the same size as the onion. That way everything cooks at the same time. I just love putting chopped vegetables in the sheet tray. I think they look so beautiful. Now for the Serrano. I actually like varying the shapes a little bit, so in this case I'm gonna just do little half moons. Now we're gonna work on the tomatoes. Super easy, and this is where I pull out the paring knife. What I like to do is take out the core. That's this sort of like woody part where the stem connected to the tomato. Go around and cut it out, and it should be really, really simple and easy to take out. Now that it's cored, you can basically cut it into whatever shape you want. I want just a decent, probably like a 1/2 inch dice. Into the sheet tray they go. So for garlic, what I like to do is just hold them sort of lengthwise towards you, and just go through and slice as thin as you can, and then turn them all around, and then just make a cross cut. Okay, so that is all the veg prepped.